हाय, मेरा नाम निखत ज़रीन है और मैं 50 केजी में रिप्रेजेंट करती हूँ इंडिया को इन विमेन बॉक्सिंग। Before coming into boxing, I was into athletics. 100 meter, 200 meter was my event, and my dad used to come along with me to train me. And once I have seen girls in every sport except boxing, then I asked my father why there are no girls in boxing. Boxing बस लड़के ही कर सकते हैं क्या? Dad told me that society thinks that women are not strong enough to take up boxing. So that has challenged me to take up boxing because I wanted to prove them no, we women are equally strong as men. My inspiration is Muhammad Ali. Since I have started boxing, I always used to watch his videos and get inspired. Boxing for me is everything because boxing have shown me a different world. I was physically strong, but boxing has made me mentally strong. Best achievements what I have achieved in my career so far. First is World Championship gold, which I won in 2022 in Istanbul. That was my first ever World Championship gold. And the second is Commonwealth gold medal in Birmingham in 2022. And the third is World Championship gold again in New Delhi. To become a champion, you have to be disciplined towards your sport. My strength as a boxer is that I change my game according to my opponent. If my opponent is aggressive, is coming on me, so I play defensive game. If my opponent is defensive, I play aggressive game. So that is my strength. I don't like to lose. Whenever I lose any bout, it hurts me. So I'm always scared to lose. So because whenever I go inside the ring, I go with that winning mindset. If I lose in any competition, for me it's a lesson, not failure. Starting, people used to discriminate women boxing. They never used to take seriously. But since Mary Kom has won an Olympic medal, so things has changed. Mary Kom has been a role model for me since I've started boxing. I always look up to her. If we talk about achievement, she's a legend. I don't think so I can break her record, but I want to make my own record. And what I like about boxing is that people think boxing makes you physically strong, mentally strong. Boxing has taught me not just to be a fighter inside the ring but also in life. So yeah, it made me that strong to fight my weaknesses. Once I entered the ring, deep down, I keep talking inside that Nikhat, come on, this last 9 minutes is yours. You have to give your best. Till the last round bell rings, you have to give your everything. This 9 minutes are the most important part of your life. If I want to get ready for any competition, I work on my speed because on the off season we work on power, but when we are close to boxing competition, we work on speed. I would say my turning point was when I dislocated my shoulder, and people were literally telling me that इसका तो करियर ख़त्म हो गया, अभी इससे बॉक्सिंग नहीं होगा, she won't be able to come back. So that has motivated me to come back stronger and believe in myself. And I thought कि मुझे पता है अभी no one is there for you. It's just you have to do it for yourself. When I had this injury, and I used to take psychology session. So she used to always make me visualize things. She used to always, tell me to close your eyes, Nikhat, and think that your shoulder is getting better each day. You're getting better as a boxer each day. I believe that whatever you think, you become. So if you think you want to become a champion, so you will become one day. It's just that you need to work hard. There is no shortcut for success. You should always work hard, always believe in yourself, and no matter what, never give up. Just keep working hard. One day your time will come. It will take time, but one day definitely your time will come. Today, athletes can also leverage the advancement in technology with data analytics and visualization, helping me to improve and monitor constantly. In this, Tudip has been a great partner for me. With patrons like Tudip, athletes can dedicatedly focus on their sport. आई बिलीव एथलीट की लाइफ बहुत छोटी होती है एंड उनका जो फेम होता है वो बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए होता है. Once I retire, I want to be remembered as a person who is good by heart, by character, not by someone, okay, oh, she was a world champion or she was, a very good boxer. ये तो रहेगा. But, अगर if you win heart, people will remember you for a long time, for a lifetime.